Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can stop saving your Instagram photos and videos to gallery. So if you guys have turned on a setting called automatic save, then whenever you upload a photo or video as a story or as a post on Instagram, it's going to be automatically saved in your gallery. So if you don't want this to be happening to you because you don't have a lot of storage or you have some kind of problem, then I'm going to show you guys how you guys can stop this from happening. So the next time when you upload a photo or video on Instagram as a post or as a story, it's not going to be downloaded on your gallery automatically. You have to do it manually if you want to, right? So follow the step. But before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, after opening Instagram, you want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen. Now once you're in your Instagram profile, at the top right, you can see the three lines. You want to click on the three line. Once you click on the three line, you can see this option called settings. Click on settings and then go on this option called account, which is the third last option. Now once you're inside accounts, the fourth last option where it says original photo at the bottom, which is right below data usage, click on original photos and just make sure this setting is off. If this setting is off, the next time when you upload a photo or a video, it's not going to be saved to your gallery. So that's how you guys can stop saving your Instagram photos and videos to your gallery. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.